We all love using GIFs, whether that be in WhatsApp or in communities online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create the image and then animate the GIF so you can have your own custom GIFs to use in your community or even in messages you send on WhatsApp. Let's get into it. I'm part of a community called the Big Brain Club on School, and within that community, the owner called Joseph created these images that I then brought to life as GIFs. And these are the different GIFs here, and they're being used in conversation, as you can see here. The wizard one, and then the cool brain, and then the PhD brain here with the smoking pipe. And if you click on zoom in on that, you can see the smoke coming out his pipe. And the challenge with this was to keep it true to the original images that he drew. Joseph hand sketched these images while he was on a break in Japan. And then I took these images and animated them. I'm going to show you how to do that process. All of these images are on Giphy within a collection called the Big Brain Club. So I'm going to start a new collection today, which I've called the Act one, which is for my community, AI Creator Tools community. And this one here is called the Newbie. So this is like level 1. So each of these GIFs is going to represent a level within the community as you level up. And so the next one that we're going to create, I'll go into my community, is the Clip Creator. So we've got Newbie, Clip Creator, Frame Explorer, Edit Enthusiast, Storyboarder, Visualist, Movie Maker, Video Maestro, and AI Video Guru. So the tool platform which we're going to create these in is Kling AI. And so you come into Kling AI and you go into AI Images. And then within AI Images, you can upload a reference image. Say for instance here, the reference image I'm going to use, that's the one I used for Newbie to start with, to get the style. But I'm going to use the first image that I made. And you can choose the entire image, the face, or the subject. And I want to choose the entire image, and I'm going to confirm that. And then I want to create a professional cameraman filming. He's going to be my clip. And then I'm just going to click, I've got 1 of 1 set here, which is what you want for GIFs. And then I'm going to do 4 outputs and click generate. And here we are, this is the clip generator. So we've got a choice of 4 here. I think out of all of these, I like this one the most. So this is going to be our clip generator. Then in here, you've got a choice to generate video. So I'm going to click on generate video. And now we just need to give it some instructions. So I'm going to say a professional cameraman looks through camera viewfinder. And here we've got professional, 5 seconds. You don't need more than 5 seconds for a GIF. And then how many outputs you want here. I'm going to get it to create me, say 3. And then you can choose the amount of creativity. So then generate. Interesting. Oh, I like that more. I like how he raised up the tripod rather than just picking up the whole tripod. And what's this one do? This next thing we do, we download without a watermark. Then once you've downloaded it, Clip Creator. Then you come into Giphy. Once you've signed into Giphy, then you can upload the MP4 that you've downloaded from Kling into Giphy and it will create a GIF. So we click to upload at the top here, and then we're going to choose a file and we're going to upload the Clip Creator open. Now this one is the frame creator. I'm going to start from where I find it interesting, maybe somewhere like here, and then continue to upload. And then here's where you can put in your tags that you want it to be found by. So this is the Clip Creator, and here's where you can put in your reference to your platform. And this is where you choose the collection that you want it to go in. I want it to go into the Act ones, and I'm going to upload. And now if we go into collections inside the Act, you're going to see we have 2 GIFs now. We have the Newbie and we have the Clip Creator. Let's go back into Kling AI and see the images it's created for the Frame Explorer. So in terms of Frame Explorer, it has not really created what I want it to create right now. Sometimes it takes a few re-rolls of the dice. Okay, we're getting closer. I've got another idea. Man looks close Lee at a window. I like that. Perfect. So we're going to I don't want to download that. We're going to generate a video from this one. So GIFs really can bring life to a community and bring out something special within that community for people to connect around those GIFs. I remember one of my favorite GIFs that I always shared with a particular friend is this one from Top Gun where the two guys are slapping hands. If you'd like me to create GIFs for you, then you can join our ACT community where the link is in the description below this video, and I will make you GIFs up to 8 for your own community for free when you join the community after staying longer than the free 7 days that are included. Within the community, we explore how to use AI to help you to plan your videos, to create videos and to grow your audience online through YouTube. And if that's something of interest to you, make sure to click in the link below this video. And for other AI video tutorials, make sure to check them out here, and I'll see you in the next video or inside the school platform. Have a good one.